How to Improve English Using ChatGPT, Step-by-Step Guide for Learners. Welcome back to English Learner. Do you want to learn English faster, smarter, and without spending a lot of money? In today's video, I'll show you how to improve your English using ChatGPT, an AI tool that works like a personal teacher, tutor, and friend, all in one. Section 1, Build Vocabulary Daily. Many learners struggle with vocabulary. ChatGPT makes it easy. You can ask, give me 10 advanced English words with meanings, example sentences, and synonyms. ChatGPT will respond with a list like this. Word 1, eloquent, meaning fluent or persuasive in speaking. Example, she gave an eloquent speech at the ceremony. Synonym, expressive, articulate. You can also say, make a vocabulary quiz from these words. Now you can test yourself. Tips to mention. Use this list for flashcards. Practice a few words daily. Create sentences with each word. Section 2, Grammar Explanations and Correction. Grammar is another big challenge, but ChatGPT can explain any grammar rule in simple words. You can ask, explain the past perfect tense with 3 examples. Or, what is the difference between much and many? Even better, copy your paragraph and type, please correct this text and explain the changes. You'll get a corrected version and a reason for every change. Tips to mention, learn from your mistakes, keep a notebook of grammar corrections, repeat similar sentences to master the rule. Conversation practice. Do you want to speak English but have no one to practice with? ChatGPT can act as a conversation partner. Try this. Let's have a conversation about travel. You ask the questions. Or pretend to be a shopkeeper and I'm the customer. You can reply to ChatGPT and it will continue the conversation. Even better, please correct my responses and tell me how to sound more natural. Tips to mention. Practice a new topic each day. Job interview, hotel check-in, hobbies. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Record your answers and listen to them later. Section 4, Writing Practice. Want to write better English? Start with simple prompts. Give me a writing topic for beginners. Then write your paragraph and type, please check my writing, correct it, and give suggestions. ChatGPT will fix grammar, suggest better words, and explain how to improve. Tips to mention. Do one writing task every 2 to 3 days. Keep a writing correction journal. Rewrite the improved version after ChatGPT's help. Section 5. Learn idioms, verbs, and slang. English isn't just about grammar, it's about expression. Idioms and phrasal verbs are used in real conversations. Type, teach me 5 idioms about success with meanings and examples. ChatGPT will explain. Break the ice. To start a conversation in a relaxed way. Example, I told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. You can also ask, give me common American slang with usage. Tips to mention. Use 1 or 2 idioms in your daily writing speaking. Review them weekly. Ask ChatGPT to test you. Make a quiz with these idioms. Section 6. Daily English Practice Routine using ChatGPT. Here's a 15-minute daily routine using ChatGPT. 1. 5 mins, vocabulary. Ask for 5 new words with examples. 2. 5 mins, grammar. Learn or revise 1 grammar rule. 3 mins, speaking. Do a quick role-play conversation. 4. 2 mins, writing. Write a short paragraph and get feedback. Stick to this every day and you'll see big improvement. With ChatGPT, you don't need to study alone anymore. You have a smart, friendly, and free English coach anytime you need. Start practicing today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite ChatGPT tip, and subscribe to English Learner for more helpful videos.